Hello everyone, welcome back to Serendipity's Kitchen. My name is Elizabeth if you haven't been here before. Today I'm excited to show you a very simple marinade for salmon. It's just a few ingredients, you mix it up, and then you just put it on your salmon steak and wait 30 minutes and it's ready to go to the grill. Okay, let's do it. Today I have a little bit over 3 pounds of the coho salmon that you can purchase at Costco. It has the skin on it still. Okay, we're going to use a 1/3 cup of orange juice. Okay, and then we want a 1/3 cup of soy sauce, but this isn't soy sauce. I'm going to show you. I use a different ingredient. It's liquid aminos, and it's just a healthier version of soy sauce. It's all-purpose seasoning. 1/3 cup. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. A tablespoon of honey. 3 tablespoons of ketchup, and we have 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 clove of garlic sliced, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper flakes. And just mix it all together. This recipe was slightly adapted from a Kingsford Barbecue Cookbook. Okay, and then you just pour it over your salmon. You let it set for 30 minutes. And then it's ready to go to the grill. So simple, and we'll see it later after it's cooked. Okay, here we are out at the grill. I'm gonna put this coho salmon on there and cook it for about 5 minutes on a medium hot heat. It's been heating up on high for a while, but I'm going to lower the heat to medium and then put the salmon on. Okay, after 5 minutes, this is what this one looks like. It looks like it is done. At least on this side, we're gonna flip it. This one is on cooler burners and it's still cooking. So I'm going to flip this one. That's how it looks now. I'm just gonna cook it. You want it to cook until it flakes on top. See how it's flaky? That's what you want.